Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace map sensor on Kia Forte, or also known as Kia Cerato in different markets. So this is the 1.8 engine, okay, you can see right here, and this is your intake guys, and right here you can see this board and this sensor. This is your map sensor, but it's a little bit hard to get to, especially that board. It's really hard to get to, and you don't want to break that vacuum actuator here as well. So stay with us to show you how to remove and replace it. We have more than 200 videos taking that key apart guys, so if you need anything, please subscribe. Most likely we'll have the video. Now that vacuum actuator, okay, it has one nut, okay, right here. So we're going to go ahead and get that nut loose now. Okay, this is a lock nut, so it's not easy to remove. Now we'll pull it to the side, and that way we'll be able to reach that bolt there. So you can see the socket is inside. We'll get the bolt loose and remove it now. So you need to disconnect the wire. You can see that thing, okay, right there. Okay, I'm trying to find it with the camera. Okay, like that. You can see that black thing. You need to press on it. Okay, and pull the wire out. So this is guys the map sensor right here. We'll share the parts and the links to it, the ones that we use, in the description of the video below. So please feel free to check it out for your convenience. So let's go ahead and install the new one. So we will go ahead, get the new sensor guys, and everything will be pretty much in reverse order that we took it apart. You have to make sure that you lubricate the new O-ring so it can slide in easy. So as you can see guys, we installed the sensor. All we had to do, push it back in, install the bolt, connect the wire, and then you need to install your nut right here for that vacuum actuator, and this one will be the whole procedure. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.